How to fix voice to text missing and not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling with the voice to text feature on iPhone, you're not alone. Today I'm going to guide through some simple steps to fix the issue. But first things first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you don't see the mic option on your keyboard, then it is probably because you have turned off the dictation. So to turn it on, go to your settings app and then tap on general, then scroll down and then tap on keyboard. Scroll down and there you'll see enable dictation option. Just toggle it on, confirm it, and then go back, and there you'll see the mic option has appeared on your keyboard. However, if this does not work for you, then you can go back to your settings again, and then you can go to software update and make sure you have updated the latest software on your iPhone. However, if this also doesn't work, then go back and then search for screen time and then tap on it, and there scroll down, tap on content and privacy restrictions. There you'll see intelligence and Siri. Tap on it and make sure you toggle on Siri and dictation. If this doesn't work for you, then swipe down the notification bar to access the control center and then tap on the power button and restart your iPhone. All of these solutions will probably work for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.